Alright guys, good evening and we're here in Robinson's Galleria, Cebu because we're on a Wednesday night drive with Lenmar and the crew. We just had dinner, by the way, at Denny's American Diner, and the big news is they're now open 24 hours. Oh, diba? Amazing news, by the way. But we're here. We're on our way, on our drive back home. And sige na magkuhan hinay-hinga, punuan na. And although we expect more rainy season naman yun. But we don't know lang ang kuhan. Kung na may bagyo pa dong. So tanawa lang inyong schedule sa inyong mga biyahe. Kung na may lockout, tanawa ang weather forecast so that you can bring umbrellas, raincoat, cap, or unsa inyong gusto isulog. So anyway, we had dinner at Denny's. That was a quick one, but ang lingaw na dito kanilang all day na kanang trio nila 375 pesos only na nakay starter, main, and drinks. So 375, why not? Pusuki ko sa mong katong manok ng order, and then may salad, so it's perfect sa inyong diet. If you are into baka namang low sugar spike diet, perfect yun kayo na because you start with veggies. Suggest nato natin Caesar salad and veggies, so lami kayo. So you have fiber and you're gonna eat your protein and carbs, so, diba? Or if kung di ka diabetic, may problema na, may clam chowder soup which is so good. Then parisan mo pork chop like what I've did. Enjoy ka siya. So anyway, taliksik na lagi, you can see those droplets on my window. I mean in the dash, in the car windows. So nahinay lang tatanaw, especially ka ng mga magmotor sa mag-uwan, mag-andam na lang yun mo kasilungan or namoy your own raincoats. So kumusta man, what's the news in Cebu anyway? What's new in Cebu? Diba? So Cebu will at night is one gapon kayo. We're progressing well, pero maingon lang yun ko na medyo yun, it's challenging months I guess for us, but swerte lang may comparative sa laing mga lugar sa Pilipinas, but still affected yapon na less tourists, diba? But our flights are doing well, except na yung nagito'y slow down because of the Iran crisis. But now I think it's getting back, it's normalizing again. Pag ni stabilize na sa ng presyo, pero worried sa gihapon ka na mga ingana ba na so mag-stabilize na ang presyo, dayon kabiyahe-biyahe na sa mga tao sa Manila. By the way, hapit na gini mahuman ni atong atong mga event center ba sa SMC Side Arena. So nag-expect sa ko that there will be a lot of people coming to Cebu, especially kanang entertainment ba. If for example kanang Bini, I think I'm pretty sure there are a lot of blooms from out of town na mutanaw diba na, which is a great news for our tourism industry. And by the way, kanina I checked out the Villa number 3 sa New Star, which is the most expensive hotel room there is Cebu right now. I think it's 250,000 to 400,000 a night. Imagine sa list gaya ito sa Google mabot gig 800,000 pero karon ko na mura 250 to 800 400. Good for 8 people. It has 4 really big bedrooms. Dako kayo. Yan na ito, duha ka bedroom ba na own sauna, own anong bathtub na, sauna, o diba? May shower. And of course, napagikuan. Napadi own gym. Na gym siya, na maka-treadmill ka o ka na makabike-bike ka. Plus, napad siya yung room na pwede ka mag-dance studio or pwede yoga studio. Na space for that. Plus, napag yung office. Ngiga, doon na yung office. Yang usa ka room, wa man to siya yung mga sauna. Pero, pag abri sa mo sa imong balcony, ay ganun, pag abri mo sa imong door, na kay access sa inyong kaugalingong pool. You have your own pool. And you know what? Ingon pagin akong taga New Star. Now, almost fully booked na room. Filmy booked. Gano? I don't know kinsa na mga big time people who goes there. Pero probably masad ko kayo ba, mga high rollers pa na sa casino. Pwede sad ka ng mga luxury tourists. Sa tinuod lang naa magina. I'm not saying na wala na naa gina. It's a different kind of market. Dili na katong pwede sa to katong mga dimalita ng mga paldo pero dili din na say uban gud na. For example, I'm a foreign billionaire or millionaire. I'm pretty sure na sila mga bisita na ingana ay na mga dagkong kuan ba. Mga big shots in other countries. O di ba? Kaya ba Arabo, Russian, whatever, kada bang naam gining kuan ba or Filipino. Di ba? If kuan you'll have your own privacy. So privacy panasuban privacy. Yeah, dayon. Kuan you can enjoy with your family na kay butler service 24/7 na kay butler yan na kay pwede masugo-sugo o na mo yung own kitchen dito ganyan mo magluto-luto diba so wow sometimes we don't know kanay mong tapad lang diha sa casino ba yes New Star o kana naka Pride Month pa na ilang team ron. The ones beside you probably who know you won't know na basig bilyonaryo na sila, billionaires in your midst. Ay manang arena guys, arena arena mo sa arena. Bitaw, yes. And bona, this is a night drive and yes, look at the look of Cebu now. It's Pride Month look guys, a New Star. Yo, okay, zoom na. Yo, closer. That's Philly and that's New Star. I was there kanina. Yan, zoom na look. Seaside. Yan, kita na sa arena kanina. And na, we have to promote gwapang Cebu, pwede mo maridre. If you love casino, nainindot na casino dire. If you love beach, city mo na. Pero kaning New Star love malagi na mga takay bawkin sana mga dato gid kayo from other provinces. Ya bilyonaryo mo. Why not? Pwede mo book diha, mag-shopping mga kuan ba, mga branded, mga Dior. Di ba? Mga Lacoste. Kanang Lacoste barato nang ginas mga tao lang. But lagi na. Yeah, there are a lot of things to do in Cebu, but yes, if you want to be the most expensive yun na room, there it is in New Star. And watch out for that video when I explored that spot. Explore lang. Malay natin. In the future, we'll be staying there. Pero imagine agad kung may let's say bisag 400,000 a night lang or 250. I'll stay on there for 4 nights. Wala, tumataging-ding na 1 million na. Dayon, mura na nag-auto ang valor for 4 night stay. 4 night stay for 8 people. Who knows in the future. Pero bitaw, Yeah, that's a kwan. That's really a different market, and and thankful ko sa mga tao na mo check in diha and giving back or giving money to the economy of Cebu. And anyway, mo na ni duol na ta. So really one of the most well lit na lugar when it comes to driving is this one. Daghang yung aksidente kay tanaw ni mga manglabang sa pako. Na sa mga usay magpabulhot. So it's also like there's mga accident prone usahay. Money, Bose Coffee. We have Chicken Joy. That's Jollibee and Chowking is taking shape na. And that's City de Mare. And I guess mauna na atong drive. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And I hope you visit Cebu. And shout out to all those followers, subscribers who says hi when I see them or when they see me. Bye.